Hey, I'm Amber and I am not a chef. I'm not a cook. I do okay. We're gonna make a beef heart and I'm gonna take you on this journey with me to work on this and cook it. I used to be a cardiac nurse, and so this is quite fascinating to me to see this anatomy up close and personal like this. Very, very cool. I loved that. So I took this sharp cleaver and started trimming away the fat. I did receive this cleaver as a gift last year, and same with the cutting board. I received that one recently, and I will link these down below for you in the description in case you're interested. I will tell you, I don't normally do this, and so please do not copy my technique. I did end up cutting my finger a little bit. It wasn't bad, but yeah, I did cut my finger a little bit. So please do not copy my fat trimming technique here. So you can see underneath the fat, this just really dark, rich color. Look at that. My husband, as I was doing this, was so excited. Look at that rich meat there. So my husband grew up on a farm, and so they ate stuff like this, I think, all of the time. And so when he said, "Hey, will you make a beef heart?" I was like, I'll try. And so he bought this. It is 5.65 pounds raw. And so it is definitely a very large beef heart. We are going to have people come over and have this with us. And so, yeah, I'm just going to keep working along here, trimming the fat. I did a pretty good job on the one side. Now we did slice this open. Check this out. This is so interesting to me. There's a lot on here besides the fat that looks like a lot of cartilage and stuff. And so I am removing that out of the beef heart as well. There you can see those cords and things that are part of the inside. And then it's so large. Look at all that fat, by the way. It's so large. We ended up cutting it into 3 pieces to put in the crock pot. So I decided to go ahead and cook this like a beef roast. And I'll show you what all I put into it here in a minute. But I just wanted you to see how absolutely huge this beef heart is. But again, look at that really rich looking, dark colored, smooth muscle meat, and going in the crock pot there. And then my husband actually helped with this. He's putting in about a half of a box of the beef broth. I think that it probably would have created some of its own juices good enough, but we wanted to just have that extra flavor. And then, of course, he had never chopped an onion before, so teaching him how to chop an onion, he did a really good job. By the way, that wet paper towel on the side, if you do a wet paper towel next to your cutting board, it helps to diminish the tears from cutting an onion. And we tried it and it absolutely worked. Neither one of us had any trouble with onion juice in our eyes and having any trouble. So we're doing just a couple of slices on the onion, and he's going to take those couple of slices and put them in the crock pot, just like putting it all over. He kind of tucked them in too, kind of on the sides and underneath a little bit to have that little bit of onion flavor for the roast. And then the next thing we did was this Montreal steak seasoning by Grill Mates. Put that on top too. We didn't do too much. We don't want to mask the flavor of the beef heart. He's also, by the way, so excited for this. He can't wait. So here we go, putting on the lid, and we are doing high heat. This has been cooking for about 6 hours, and it's very tender. It is ready to eat. This is fresh out of the crock pot. Hopefully you can see that steam, very, very hot. And again, we had to cut it into 3 pieces. So now we do our taste test. All right, cut into it. No, for real. Like what?
No, it's really good. I really
What's it
like
taste like? We've got smashed potatoes and green beans, fresh green beans.
Realistically, you're not gonna like this, but kind of like liver.
Does it taste like
A
liver?
little bit. I mean, I like liver, so it's good for
Okay.
me. But
All right, your turn.
I disagree. I think it's more like a roast.
We made it like a roast.
But it's very rich. It's very tender.
it's smooth. Roast isn't smooth though. It's like,
Right. Roast is grainy.
Roast is grainy and that's smooth muscle. Yep.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Good. Abby, are you going to try it?
Maybe.
yeah, she.
Going to try it?
It does have the flavor of a roast, but a different texture.
Yeah.
It's not terrible.
Smooth.
Oh, good. There you have it. 6 hours in the crock pot with onion and seasonings, and you've got yourself a beef heart. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.